diagnosed with sciatica? Are you suffering from any of the following physical or emotional symptoms? Do you suffer from agonizing pain and stiffness from your lower back down to your foot? Do you feel self-conscious about your lack of mobility and frustrated because your body constantly lets you down? Do you spend a lot of money on drugs and other treatments, but the symptoms just won't go away? Do you want to cure your sciatica once and for all, but don't really know which treatment is right for you due to excessive information? Here is my promise to you. After watching this short video, you will be in the position to make the decision to experience immediate relief from sciatica. You will cure your sciatica completely and permanently within 7 days. You will stop feeling self-conscious about your lack of mobility and fitness. You will feel the best ever. Save thousands of dollars in prescription medications, chiropractic adjustments, doctor visits, or weird massages and contraptions. Before we get to that, first I would like to let you know that I am a former chronic sciatic sufferer myself. Hi, my name's Glen Johnson, and I've been where you are now. 44 years young, I was one of the early worms to be diagnosed with sciatica, a disease that affects between 2 to 40% of Americans. Do you or someone you know ever experience sharp shooting pains from the lower back on down to the feet? Nearly every family in the US has at least one family member affected by this dreadful illness. Sciatica is known by some as needles for the whole family due to its unfortunate widespread nature. I was diagnosed 3 years ago at 41, and ever since have depended on my lovely wife and young son to take me around. My sciatica was so severe that my legs would lock up in fits of excruciating pain. You can imagine the problems this could cause while driving. Even worse than the sharp shooting pain itself was the fact that I was placing a burden on my family. For crying out loud, I was 41 years young. I wanted to go outside and play catch with my boy without wondering if another fit of sharp pains would shoot up my legs and knock me on my back. I wanted to help my wife unload the groceries and take care of the heavy lifting, as a man should for his partner. Instead, I sat by and watched my wife Joanne do the man's work for me. We both knew that I was too high risk of setting off my oversensitized nerves, dropping everything and causing a mess while I lay helplessly and painfully on the floor. It was just dreadful all around. Sciatica is the most emasculating disease you can imagine. Thankfully, as with most problems in life, when one starts looking for a solution, answers can be found. Of course, like any American in the US, I went straight to the doctor for my health issue. Right away, the good doc prescribed some pain medications and told me to get in touch with a chiropractor for adjustments. I was using a cocktail of analgesics, muscle relaxants, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatories. They gave me some minor temporary relief and lots of stomach cramps and diarrhea. Great. At the chiropractor, often the pains flared up right during the session, and more often than not I'd walk out worse, not better. If you opt for chiropractic adjustments, these will easily cost you hundreds of dollars over a course of treatment. Well, the great news is that the Sciatica SOS system will cost you nowhere near that. The initial price of this life-changing book is $69.99, but instead, and only as long as we have this video promotion on our website, I want you to get this book for only $37. That's barely the price of pizza for two. If you order today, you will also receive the following 6 bonuses. Value $172, absolutely free. Bonus 1, Lessons from Miracle Doctors, value $37. Bonus 2, Sleeping Solace, value $27. Bonus 3, 10 ways to fight off cancer. Value $17. Bonus 4, stress soothers. Value $27. Bonus 5, how to lose 10 pounds naturally. Value $27. Bonus 6, free lifetime updates. Value $37. I am 100% sure that you're not buying an ebook, you are buying results. I want you to be 100% confident about purchasing Sciatica SOS, so I offer you a 60-day unconditional risk-free guarantee. That's right, if you aren't satisfied with your purchase for any reason, simply contact us and we will refund your payment to the last cent. No questions asked. That way, the only thing you have to lose when you choose Sciatica SOS system is only your sciatica. Guaranteed. Grab it today.